Find yourself a 12-inch Dutch oven and cut the feet off. Now it'll fit perfectly on your stove. Cover the bottom with canola oil and then turn it on medium heat. Set your oven to 475 while you season the chicken. Now I'm using Himalayan salt. I'm going to put a generous coating on each side, but first I'm going to pull off the chicken skins and save those for later.
Oh, that's Daddy's son. So do you want it open right now?
We're on a break. Basically, they started doing
Adding pepper here too. You can do it to taste. Now I'm going to put the chicken into the pot face down. After it's all cooked, the side that's cooking first is going to be what you see in the presentation. So I want it to look the most nice and crispy. That's why I cook it first. Make sure you cover it because there's a lot of splattering going on. After about 9 minutes, I'll take the chicken and I'll flip it over. Now I'm going to cover it back up and give it another 9 minutes. Now that that's done, I'm going to take it all out. I still have more chicken to cook. Eventually I'm going to put it all in the oven, but I'm going to cook the other legs first. In the meantime, I'll cover it with some foil and just let it set. Alright, the other chicken is inside the pot. It's all cooked up. I'm going to take this chicken here, I'm going to put it together. Now I'm going to place the whole thing inside the oven. Again, it's at 475, and we're going to let it cook for an additional 10 minutes. This is where I'm going to cook up the chicken skin. Season it, and then just place it in the pan with some canola oil. "10 minutes later, pull it out. All right, our chicken skins are done. Just set those on a paper towel. Help get rid of some of that excess oil. Now it's time to eat.
Gotta get those angles. This girl posted a picture of her. Pain, I was literally sitting there.